Hey ladies, what's up? It's Sam. Today's video is going to be a back to school giveaway. I've done one of these like 3 years in a row now, well actually this is the 3rd year, and I'm really excited for it. I actually decided to wait a little bit longer this year to start it because I really don't want school to start. I'm like dreading it so much anyway. I don't want to spend too long talking, but I don't actually. That's it. Let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you could win is this binder. This is honestly so adorable. It's like such summertime vibes. It's really cool, and it has like a fun little side as well. But I really like, personally, is the inside, because I didn't really think about this, but you really see the inside more of your binder than the outside. So yeah, this will be like super cute walking around the hallway or just like sitting in your locker. But once you like open it up in class and start taking notes, like that's gonna look so adorable. So I'm really excited about that. And then the next item is this binder, and it has this cool little like holographic design on it. And then on the back it's a different design, which is super cool. So if you prefer one side to another, you can definitely like switch them around. And then the inside also has the design. You can't really totally tell because of the exposure on my camera, but it's like kind of a wave type of thing. It's really cool, and it's just super adorable. Like I'm obsessed with that, like how that just like moves very like hollow. Not the most fun thing, but I also got you guys some paper because you're gonna need paper if you have a notebook. A binder. I said the wrong thing, sorry. Again, not super fun, but I got these 2 folders. They're really adorable. I like the colors I picked, and I also personally really like this brand of folders just because I feel like it holds up the best. It's not sponsored. That felt really sponsored, but it's not. Not super fun, not super exciting, but yellow and purple, you know? I don't know. I tried guys. Alright, and then I also got you guys this notebook. This is really cute. It has this fun little design. This reminds me of Pinterest. Just like the type of stuff that you would see like fashion bloggers liking, you know? I really love this personally, and I also like that it has this little thing because you can kind of like bookmark a page. And then the next item is this is like really loud ASMR munch. This is probably actually really annoying, not relaxing at all. Anyway, it is these pencils. There are 8 of them, and there's a bunch of fun different colors, and they each have different sayings on it. I'm gonna like turn down this exposure because it's really freaking bright, but you know, that's super fun, and it's not in focus. But yeah, they just have different sayings, and I think they're really adorable. Also, they have black erasers, which is super cool. And then I also got you guys these little clips. There's 8 of them, and again, they're a bunch of different colors that are super fun and just like, I don't know, useful. And I also like that it comes in this little pouch because it just makes it easier to keep them all stored. So yeah. And then the last item, which I'm most excited about, are these cute little cactus lights. I am totally into these guys. These are adorable. And the really cool thing about these is that you can put them in your locker because it's battery operated, so you don't need to plug them into anything. So you can either like put them in your locker or maybe put them in a binder. Like that might be really cool. It might be weird, but it might be cool. Or like, I don't know, you could like put them in your car. I don't really know, guys. Get creative, have fun with these, but I figured it'd be just like a fun little thing to add. Alright, so now for the rules and the different ways to enter. The first rule and #1 rule is you have to be subscribed. This giveaway is for my subscribers, so in order to be a subscriber, you gotta subscribe. So there are 2 different ways to enter this giveaway, one on YouTube and one on Instagram. For YouTube specifically, you have to leave a comment down below, like just kind of telling me honestly anything. I'm interested to hear it all, but maybe what grade you're going into, what you're most excited about the school year, and types of videos you want to see. Anything like that is totally acceptable. And then for Instagram, again, you have to be subscribed to my channel, but you just need to comment on a post that I'm going to have on my Instagram, obviously, and you need to tag a friend, and you need to be active on there. Also, you need to follow me. So yeah, I will announce the winner of this giveaway the day that I post my dorm tour, because I definitely do plan on doing that, and I do plan on getting it up pretty quickly. If I don't wind up getting it up by the end of August, then I will just announce it in whatever video I post toward the end of the month, I guess, if that makes any sense. And I will also be announcing on my Instagram story, so watch for both of those. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to. I don't actually know who gives videos thumbs up, so it's not a part of like entering, but you totally can. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!